Is that a saw? Yeah. Yes. Yes. Good job. Yes. What else? Really? It's got a mirror on it? I did not know that. Yeah. There's your sunscreen. We just got you all slathered up. It's over there now. Here. Can you crawl to Mama? Yes, come on. Can you crawl to Mama? Come here. Yeah. Oh, get your saw. Good job. Throw the saw. You gotta crawl to it? Go get it. Get your saw. Okay. Cool. Oh, don't put it under the couch. What are you doing with the... You'll get it later. Are you gonna stand up? Yeah, think about it. Think about it. Nah, not right now. What happened? Yeah? Yeah. Those are Daddy's dirty shoes. Where are you going? Where are you? Good job. Okay. Oh, your pant leg's getting caught. You going away? Oh. Yeah, I hate it when that happens. All right. Mama will help you. Hold on.